Hello friends, welcome you all on Green Wallet video channel. Today I'll teach you step by step how to enter into the market. First, we have to look at the world market. What is the world market giving as a signal? What is the trend of the world market? It is downtrend, it is uptrend, or it is sideways, depending, because we take our markets take the cue from the world market. If the world market are in a downtrend, we cannot go against the trend of the world market, we will also go downtrend. Now that is the first step. But before we move any further, you will have to pause this video and read this disclaimer. It is very important because I am sharing with you is what you call is a technical view. But what you have to see is how you have to save your capital, invest in such a way that you don't lose your capital and you make money out of it. Now, after reading the disclaimer, let's go to the world market. Now, we will go to the world market. Now, here is our world market. Now, I'm just waiting for the S&P chart to open up. Now, if you all see, today it has given a very bullish candle, right? One, two, three, four. 4 days it was hovering around into the same. On the fifth day, it is giving a strong candle. But if I look it further, one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. For 9 days, it is going hovering around this range only, right? So now, if I want to go long in this market, so I have to see that this green candle, there is one more green candle which is breaching this red candle. It means it closes above this red candle. Then I can say now the trend was a downtrend, then it was a sideways for 5 days, and now on the sixth and seventh day it has changed. But till then, I have to be very cautious It is very difficult to judge the trend from one candle. If this crosses above this, then you can see that there will be a W formation, and this neck is going to be breached, and there is going to be a one more bigger candle over here, and then we can say now we can go long. Till now, if I look at this chart, it is giving me that it is in a downtrend. For a simple reason, what we do is we will go for an average, moving average, average, or we'll go to a moving average. Let me find out here, MA cross. Okay. Now, if you see this, I'll just, because it will be very difficult for you to see the lines. So I'll make this line thicker one. So now this has become a thicker one. So there are two averages which has been crossed, right? And from here I get a clue that the trend is downtrend. Now, if I want to be very much sure, I should wait for the price action, because our mainly strategy is of the price action. Can you see this? If this blue line, right, it is, if the any candle closes below this blue line, I will still consider that it is downwards and towards the sideways. But once it crosses this blue line and there is a green candle form, I can say now the trend is changed and I can go long. Till then, I have to be very cautious, right? So this is the world market. This is US 500 market, S&P 500, United States. Now, which is saying me that it is still in a sideways market. But if any candle, green candle closes above this blue line and above this moving average line, then I can say that the trend has changed. Till then, it is a sideways, downwards to sideways market. Now we'll go to our Indian markets. I'm going to teach you a beautiful thing in our Indian market, how to analyze. Now this is our Indian market. This is the Nifty. Now if I look at the Nifty, see, it started its upward journey. It was going up, going up. From here, it made its downward journey. Then again, above this line, it started moving up. So I have to wait for one more candle here, green candle, which will give me a signal that now the market trend has changed. Now, even in Indian, it is downward, and for last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days, it is hovering around in this price range. So it is sideways. But if you want to make some money, today afternoon, one of my friend came and he wanted to, learn about ninja trading. Suppose if you want to make money fast, right? So how fast you can make the money? So I was teaching him, 15 minutes, 5 minutes, and 1 minute, how to trade in 1 minute. And because I don't wanted to, in the beginning to risk more and he loses capital. So I tried with small capital, small stop loss, and reasonably good target. And we made around 200-300 rupees. This was only for training him, so that his fears. And now I will just do something here, just wait, so that you can see. So, okay, now I want to change the font into bold, and Vardhana is fine for me. I'll make it 12 points. Okay. Now I say save. So now you can see here what profit we made is around 229 rupees. This was only for the educational purpose. Now in this market, right, the market is below 21-day moving average. So this is below 21-day moving average. And if I press a weekly chart, this is a daily chart. Daily chart, this is giving me, today was the last day. It has given me a very good bullish hammer. So Monday I can expect the price to go up, right? Weekly is above 21-day moving average, and monthly is too long because this candle is not yet formed, but monthly it is in a sideways, right? So the moment it has touched here, it has gone up, it crossed and it went, and then again it touched here, then went up, again it touched here and went up. So now once we get a good green bullish candle above this line, we can think of going long. But till then, if you want to invest the money, so what I do normally is I go to Market Watch, I open this NAC, and then here I will search for small cap or dividend paying company. Now I am looking for a dividend paying company, or say I'll go for the small cap first. Small cap 50, right? Why I'm choosing small cap? Because the small cap has a potential to go up very fast, and it gives me a good amount of appreciation. Now what I do is I will put it here, change. So what has gone down today is MRPL, right? So I click MRPL here, and what does the MRPL gives me the signal? It is an upward, it touches the moving average. This is a 21-day period moving average, and then moment it touches, it goes up. So if I want to be long in MRPL, so it touched this level and it has bounced a little. So tomorrow I can buy at this level with a formula of, this is my entry point, this is my stop loss, and this can be my target. So I hope everybody is able to see this. So this is what I can do is in MRPL is I can have my entry point here, and if it goes below this, then my stop loss is hit. So suppose if I buy 100 shares, and if it goes below this, so I will lose 230 rupees. And suppose if I'm buying 100 shares and it touches here at 103.45, I make 740 rupees, right? So you have to play safe and you don't have to lose money. You have to always protect your capital while trading in this market. Now I will teach you one more method is, let me go to the dividend paying company. My main intention for you is, see, this is dividend paying company. This list is of dividend paying company. All companies which are good and paying dividend are listed here. So what I do is I look for today what has went down. It is Indus Tower, Bank of India, and Let me check what has gone up. Oh, 5.6 BSC, MCX, Bajaj Holding, PFC. Now let's open ITC. My favorite, I have accumulated many shares in ITC. Now let's see what is the ITC's. Yeah, ITC is trading below 21-day moving average, right? But it is a very good stock. The moment it crosses this line, I'll tell you, the moment it gives a closing above 445, then your minimum target will be between 487 to 499. So 450 you purchase if by looking at a green candle, and your target is 487. So you get handsome amount of 37 rupees, right? And once it starts going up, I think it will go up in, let's count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So maximum in a month, you will hit this target here, right? So you have to look now. What is ITC? ITC is a dividend paying company, very well known company. Right now it is accumulating here and it is in an upswing. So I would prefer to buy ITC above 450 when it closes. And if you have a, what you call, risk taking capacity, and you can, if it is goes down below this 436 and you are happy with a loss of 15 rupees per share, then you can buy Monday morning at the opening rate and wait for the ITC to go up to 487 rupees. So this is what I will suggest for the ITC, or you can trade in the future also. Now today what I did was, I just want to show you that how I made this 200 rupees while teaching my colleague that how to. So what I did is, I had opened and I was looking for what was going up. So I find out that Bajaj pin share was going up and Wipro was going up, right? So what I did is I opened this here. Now can you see this, the green candle? This was not there in the morning this strong, but it was strong enough. So first I tried in 15 minutes. I did not get a good level here. So I tried on 5-minute chart. I was not getting a good level to enter. Then I made into a 1-minute chart. So in 1-minute chart, the moment it crossed above this green level, no, I entered at this level and exited moment it made this red candle, right? So it was, we had hardly bought 10 shares, so we made around 150 rupees in this, and then we had bought Wipro also. So this was just to give him an idea that how you can trade on a 1-minute chart, right? So actually, if I had entered here at this level, then I could have made more money. But this is how you can, if you have a system with you, you can make money in this market. If I had bought here, I'll just give you an example. Why I like Trade Tiger is because I get an entry point, I get a stop loss point, and then I can get a target. So my target would have been somewhere here, right? So 11 rupees. So if you buy 20 shares just for learning, and this was an what you call big plus trade. So you make good money. And now what happens in Trade Tiger, if I want to place the order, what I want to say is I don't want to buy 229, but as per my risk capacity of 1000 rupees per trade, I can buy the only 229. But just to give you an example, I'll put a 10 over here, right? And my good trade will be up to say ninth, and I just have to place an order over here. Okay, I can open this type of order only when the market is open, or I just have to remove the bracket and I say a normal order, right? And I can place the order till ninth, it will execute. So if I place here, it will say, okay, even this is asking, this is, you can only place orders when NSE market status is open or after hours. So today the after hours are not open. Maybe I can try tomorrow. But this is the beauty of the, what you call the Trade Tiger. Now we'll change the script to Wipro. Now I'm adding the Wipro chart here. I go to the daily chart. So this is the daily chart. What is the daily chart showing me? That for last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days, the market is in this level, right? Now, if systematically, if I want to follow a system, what I will do is I will buy Wipro with my conservative approach when it closes above 417.50 paise. So now what happens? I get a good signal. Now the trend has changed. From here it had started falling down, and after it goes here, so there is a U-turn in the market. Or maybe I'm still very conservative and I don't want to take any risk. So what I will do is we'll buy above this 21-day moving average, that is 422. Once I buy at 422, then my target will be, the first target will be at this level, 596. Suppose I buy 100 shares. So 50 shares I will book here at 596, and rest of the 50 shares I can book here, right, at 699 to 726. And this is going to happen in a year. Hopefully there are no worldwide crises of war and this and that. But if the crises happen, you always follow the stop loss and trailing stop loss. If you like this video, you can share it with your friends, and you can, start making money in the stock market, as well as you can share with your friends. They can also start making money. Our mission is to empower citizens financially and socially, legally. So our mission is, to empower minimum 1 lakh family in India 1 year. This can happen only if you all uh, collaborate together to achieve this, and you share this video with your friends, you subscribe to the channel, and we become, a world-class trader in international market also, as well as in the Indian market also. Then we'll start with the commodities, then we'll start with the currencies. So this is the basic. And if you don't know what is candlesticks chart, then you can WhatsApp me, and we can, think of, starting the basic class to know what is candlestick, what is moving average, and what is trend, what is uptrend, what is downtrend, and what is sideways. And slowly you can develop this skill. There is no qualification required, only required is patience, cool mind, and around 15 to 30 minutes in a day, not more than that. You should not get addicted to this. 30 minutes is more than enough. That is 2.5 hours a week, and you can start making side income and big amount of money. Once you are confident, then you can put in more capital and make money, but with the risk reward ratio. You always have to maintain that at any given time your stop loss is not than 1% of your capital per trade. If you follow this, then the market is yours. If you don't follow, that market will take whatever you have in your bank account. Thank you. See you again tomorrow, or maybe tomorrow we have an important webinar on redevelopment, that is on Citizen Justice Forum video channel. So see you there tomorrow, 7 p.m. sharp, with an amazing personality who is authority on redevelopment. See you all there, guys.